Okay, so this is a flatbed scanner. A lot of times these bulbs go bad. You got to make sure you get the right length. Hopefully you can get the right connector. I'm going to probably have to redo this one. But inside is optical area for the lens, and there's a couple things you probably want to clean while you're in here. There's flip it over. There's that optical lens on the bottom, and also right here there's a mirror that you want to clean, check for dust, and then the one right up here. There's also one on the back side here, and the rail goes along on the one side, and it actually just snaps in right here. Once you undo this, you just pull it up. You can slide that rod out, and there's a little notch in it. You'll be able to see it. So, but there's essentially 6 screws. There's 2 hidden ones, and then the other 2 screws will hold the lamp supply, power supply, which is that. You can't even find those anymore. Probably could repair them, but you know, you'd have to test everything, and you might want to just get a donor one if you're going to try to redo one of these. But it was essentially a flashing light, and it would just go out. So I knew I had some power coming in here, but I'm going to give it a shot with this new bulb, and see if it works. Okay, this is pretty much like for a lot of them are the same, but we can get in there and clean that glass, just make sure that doesn't pop out. And this is held in by 2 screws here, and that will go back on like that. So that's about what you got. If you got an old one you want to redo, you got to find that bulb, get them on Alibaba, and they're all tangled up when you get them. So good luck. Bye.